Mechanization of fishing craft, FEN, craft technology, that is steps are, there are 4 steps of mechanization of fishing craft. First step is mechanization of country craft, then introduction of simple small mechanized boat, then improvement of newly designed boat and introduction of bigger specialized boat. Then the fourth step is broadening into fishing fleet. The first step of mechanization is mechanization of country craft. Paul B. Zener guidance and K. Rasmussen FAO experts were there, who has first given the mechanization of country craft. In this, fishing boat of Gujarat and Maharashtra were found ideal suited for mechanization. Then mechanized boats were there. The mechanized boats are Lodhias and Machwas of Saurashtra coast, Versova and Sapati boat of Maharashtra, Tuticorin of Tamil Nadu, Kakinada of Andhra Pradesh, Pachadi boat of West Bengal. Till 1969, 3,000 indigenous boats were mechanized. Introduction of simple small mechanized boat. After the mechanization of country craft, then introduction of small mechanized boat happened in mechanization of fishing craft. Then in this country craft, in first stage was suitable for gill netting and long lining beyond inshore water. Their operational range has not increased. Kerala, Karnataka and Orissa did not have suitable indigenous and craft for mechanization. 1955 and 1958, 10 new designs were found. In this, Pablo boat was found to be extremely successful and popular. Pablo boat was 7.5 meter. Improvement of newly designed and introduction of bigger specialized boat. For Indian condition, USA design were adopted. This program initiated and followed by INP, which developed 14 meter design, and CIFT, which developed 15.5 meter design. During 4th-5th year plan, 17.5 meter steel trawler were introduced to conduct exploratory survey and commercial fishing in offshore water. During 5th year plan, Government of India took permission to private entrepreneurs 30 maximal double rig shrimp trawler to import on the condition that equal number of craft will be conducted in India. Deep sea fishing fleet has increased after the declaration of EEZ, that is EEZ is written. What is EEZ? In the next slide. Up to 200 miles in August 1976. Industrial fishery survey carried out by large imported deep sea vessel, broadening into fishing fleet. At the end of 8-year plan, that is 8-year 5-year plan, the strength of mechanized boat and the deep sea vessel found at 47,000 and 180 respectively. This is what we studied about the mechanization of fishing craft.